mountains over there. With a bit of snow on the top still. Getting better now. I can go in front of us. There we go.
It's been a bit of a morning, hasn't it?
It's been very much a morning. We're on our way from, can't remember where, Sampzon.
Yeah, Sampzon.
Sampzon to an air.
Just outside, it's in a province of Donzenac.
Yes, Donzenac. It's sort of south of Limoges.
That's it.
And we've been up and down some really windy mountains.
Yeah, we tried to go off, not use the péage.
We're using end roads and side roads and whatever
roads
we can, really.
Yeah, it's been alright. It's been a bit sort of wiggly and up and down here a bit, but
Yes,
yeah, it's alright. It's been pretty good.
Yeah.
With that stupid thing is...
Yeah, the Garmin went a bit wrong.
Garmin decided that when we stopped to get a little bit of lunch, he wanted us to take us to Montpellier.
It wanted us to go south instead of north.
Correct. And we definitely were going north. Yeah, it had an epileptic fit, didn't it?
It wasn't happy, and then it was as soon as we took the decision instead of it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it was like, oh yes, you were right.
oh yeah, sorry about that. Never mind, you'd have only had to go 30 miles out of your way.
Just a trifle, mere trifle.
Circuit des Monts
du Canal.
Never heard of that one. If it is a racetrack.
I'm just really filming in case anything interesting comes up.
These houses all look like they could do with a good brickie.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of places seem, well, they look pretty much the same as when you look at old war films, and everything's sort of grey and bland, and then you get some nice, you know, really good modern ones occasionally.
Yeah, some of the houses are really sort of
Interesting.
old and knackered.
Yeah.
And then some are really, really quite nice. I suppose you could say that from anywhere.
Yeah.
I mean, when you compare this to Austria.
Oh, Austria was spot on everywhere, wasn't it?
Yeah, Austria's like...
Even the grass in the countryside seems manicured in Austria, doesn't it?
Coiffeured to the nth degree.
Yeah. And then France seems a bit more sort of wildflower type, overgrown. Rough and ready. But it is still pretty in its own way. You know, there's mountains again with the snow on the top.
Yeah, it's definitely snow up there, look.
Yeah, it is. Like that mountain we went up in Austria, that was snow on the top, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
Some of these French roads are really smooth and other ones are iffy, but most of them are really, really good roads.
That back road that we took, most of the roads up till you got to the villages were lovely, and as soon as you got to the villages there was rough as...
Yeah, they were. Now we do need to look out soon for laybys that sell strawberries and cherries.
I don't think you'll get any yet.
No.
There's a bit in the mountains.
Well, I'm just saying, when we can, because whenever we've been to France, we go into a lay-by where they're selling them and they're absolutely beautiful.
We did stop, didn't we, before we got to the campsite?
We did, before we got to the last campsite. We got some strawberries, cherries and tomatoes from a farm shop just in a lay-by at the edge of their farm. Oh, they were absolutely beautiful. And that's what we do in France when we come and go on the back roads, isn't it?
Yep.
Keep a look out.
Big old village coming up now.
Yeah.
He's had a doink.
Oh, he has had a big doink.
He's had the front ripped off now.
It didn't look very well,
safe
did
to go
it?
out.
No, it wouldn't pass an MOT. There's a statue. We're going round there.
Round.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Though it didn't tell us that.
Yeah.
Garmin only talks to us when it wants to. I think it's got the ump with us at the minute.
I've got the bloody ump with it.
Statue.
He tried to send us down a tiny little road the other day, didn't he?
Yeah, straight into like a market square type thing where we couldn't get out of. We didn't go that far and turn round because we realised.
94-point turn.
Yeah, 94 point. Lots of turrets on these houses.
The locals weren't laughing a lot, were they?
No, not a lot. I think they're looking at us incredulously. What on earth are you doing?
Idiots.
You can see that there is actually a red kite up there.
Mad dogs and Englishmen go out in the midday sun.
Yeah.
Or turn down later in the
Gendarmerie.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some fuel. 188.
Straight on.
Just been through a 1.5 kilometre tunnel.
Going downhill.
Going downhill.
Well, actually, the tunnel was all downhill, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
Back on the wiggly roads again.
Yeah. We rode through mountains. Let's see if I can get a bit of a view. Because it is quite spectacular. Quite a turret on that house there. There's a few bits and bobs around, they're pretty. We're just waiting for a red light.
Red light means danger, Sue.
Yeah. Sometimes we don't actually get a green light on these, they go to a flashing amber.
Yeah, and it counts down as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, a lot of them do count now. I mean, that's on 51 now. Yeah, you just go on the flashing amber. So I assume it means proceed with caution. A few turrety things around. Very nice. Village? Town? Not too sure.
Something.
Probably village. Large village if it is.
They don't give you a lot of bloody room.
They don't, no. Lots of cafes with seats outside everywhere.